guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I'm Harshni V and this is Dust Pumpkin. Hey guys, today is the first day of harvest in India, so we celebrate this annually. It is an auspicious day. It's called Pongal. Basically, on the first day of harvest, they grain out the rice and make sweet rice. It's called Pongal. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. Hey guys, I'm filming this 2 days later and I'm in Damansara. So today I am working from home, so it gives me a lot more time to do my routine things, and I thought of going for a jog. I've never really jogged in a park nearby, but I always wanted to. It's just every time I come back from work, it's always raining or it'll get too dark. I just woke up, so clearly we're looking like a total potato. I'm gonna go make myself some coffee and then we're gonna plan out our day. Boom! I got my coffee and I'm gonna put on something to wear for jogging. Okay, I think I'm going with this little black 3/4 pants. We're wearing this. I think I got this like ages ago. And a sports bra from Cotton On. Let's get changed. Okay, I'm gonna put on sweater on top. Okay, now we're rushing, so let's drink our coffee and get started with the day.
Life feels good, life feels great, life feels good, life feels great today. Life feels good, life feels great, life feels good, life feels great today. Today. Don't know what the future holds today. Today. Just hoping I grow today. Are you on the way? I can feel your face. life feels great, life feels good, 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 life feels great.
Take me kitchen, take me flowing, take me queer and take me twisting, for I to believe in me and you somehow trust in me. Love, love, love is change. Love, love, love is quiet for me. Take me home.
I'm back from jogging and I got groceries. The park was super long. It was super long. I don't exactly know how many kilometers it is, but I only went like I only went like quarter of the route, and I came back because I will be late for work if I went for the entire thing. Okay, in my grocery list, I had buns and breads because I need to eat something for breakfast, or not I'll just not work. I cannot function without having breakfast, so we got that. And also another bun. Twiggies. I got Twiggies, a chocolate bun, and wholemeal bread. It's for the week. I also got Tiger Biscuit, the milky one. It's my favorite, and I only like it with milk, so I don't eat it on its own. With like coffee or milk, it's pretty good. No idea what this is, but it looks like this. This one, I think it's like a cabbage, tiny baby cabbage maybe, I don't know. And I have beans, apples. I've not been eating fruits as much as I should, but okay, New Year's resolution, let's eat more fruits. Okay, I'm gonna go keep this in the kitchen, and then I'm gonna hit the shower. Yeah, oh my god, I'm kind of late for work, so let's go.
Take me ugly, take me strange and